Having a stable internet connection is key for smooth online gaming and downloads on your Nintendo Switch. But sometimes, when you run that internet test, the results can look a little confusing. Don't worry, understanding what those numbers mean is simpler than you might think, and it gives you valuable insights into your online experience. When your Nintendo Switch runs an internet connection test, it provides you with three main pieces of information: the download speed, the upload speed, and the NAT type. These values are crucial because they directly impact how well your console can communicate with Nintendo's servers and with other players online. The console is essentially checking its ability to send and receive data efficiently, which is the foundation of any online activity. Let's break down each part. Your download speed, measured in megabits per second, tells you how quickly your Switch can receive data from the internet. This is super important for tasks like downloading new games, system updates, or streaming content. A higher number here means faster downloads and smoother streaming. The upload speed, also in megabits per second, indicates how fast your Switch can send data. While often lower than download speeds, a good upload speed is vital for online multiplayer games, as it ensures your actions are registered quickly by the game server and other players. Then there's the NAT type, which stands for Network Address Translation Type. This is a crucial setting that affects your ability to connect with other players in multiplayer games. NAT types are categorized, with Type A or Type B being the most ideal. These indicate an open or moderately open connection, allowing you to connect easily with most other players. A Type C or Type D, however, suggests a more restricted connection, which might make it difficult to join certain online matches or communicate with friends. A Type F usually means your connection is very limited or possibly blocked. To make the most of these results, first look at your download and upload speeds. For a great online gaming experience, aim for at least 10 megabits per second download and 2 megabits per second upload. If your speeds are lower, consider moving your Switch closer to your Wi-Fi router, reducing other internet usage in your home, or even upgrading your internet plan. Next, check your NAT type. If it's Type C or D, you might want to adjust your router settings. This often involves enabling Universal Plug and Play, also known as UPnP, or setting up port forwarding. While this can sound a bit technical, many internet service providers have guides or support to walk you through these steps. Understanding these connection test results empowers you to troubleshoot common issues and optimize your online gaming. By knowing what good speeds and a healthy NAT type look like, you can ensure your Switch is always ready for seamless multiplayer adventures, quick game downloads, and an overall more enjoyable experience. It means less lag and more fun, letting you focus on your game instead of your connection.